Today, all of us are becoming increasingly aware of how we affect our environment. The air we breathe, the water so necessary for life, the energy required to power our civilization have all been impacted by humanity's increasing demand on what Mother Nature can give. Instead, we must consider the environment as part of our economy, health, and community, all working together and affecting what we call the green lifestyle. A healthier environment means healthier lives for all of us. Having a swimming pool in your backyard is great. I mean, let's face it, the kids love it, and so do you. But maintaining that pool can be very costly. So how do we have a swimming pool that's energy efficient and part of a green lifestyle? Well, take a look.
It's very important to have a pool in our lifestyle. We're a busy family. We have 3 children. When we built the pool, the kids were just learning to swim. Probably the biggest misconception would be the maintenance or the upkeep. And I'll tell you, I think that's the easy part for us. Being eco-friendly is very important to the family, both indoors and outdoors. As we were making decisions for the pool, we knew that that would be a primary focus for us. I'd recommend Zodiac products to any homeowner, whether you're thinking about upgrading your existing products or enhancing your backyard lifestyle.
Having a pool has its perks. The Gomez family loves their pool. A backyard swimming pool can provide a healthy recreational center for the whole family. And to see how to create a pool that is environmentally friendly, Think Green got together with Tessa McHenry and Scott Ferguson from Zodiac Pool Systems, 2 experts on energy-efficient, low-maintenance pools that fit the green lifestyle. Hey, Scott, thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
Well, new technology has definitely advanced pool operation efficiency. We know that. But what I want to know boils down to the dollars and cents. What am I going to see on my utility bill?
Well, Kelly, pool owners who take advantage of the full combination of elements, all of the eco-friendly, energy-efficient products, can save several hundreds, even up to thousands of dollars annually on energy costs. So the impact can be really significant.
That is pretty significant. So you also mentioned combined elements. Can we see those combined elements since they lead to these big savings?
Absolutely, and everything we're going to see here today will lead to greener operation as well.
Oh, well, then where do we start?
I thought that we'd start with the general setup and then we'll get into a couple of the particulars. Does that sound good?
Sounds great.
Kelly, this is the Jandy VersaPlumb system by Zodiac. Everything that we've done here is designed to increase what we call hydraulic efficiency. Now that might sound like kind of a fancy term.
It does.
But it's actually all about resistance. If you think about it, water is flowing through the pool, it's flowing through the equipment, it's going to face a certain amount of resistance. The more resistance, the more energy it takes to keep the water flowing. So what we've tried to do here is to minimize the amount of resistance in the system.
Okay, let me make sure I'm getting this straight. So less resistance means less energy, which means bigger savings, right?
That's right. It's just like a car. A bigger, heavier car takes more gasoline to keep it moving. So what we did is we simplified everything. We took all the twists and turns out of the equipment and out of the plumbing and made the whole thing run a lot more efficiently.
Oh, okay. Well, you also said you wanted to talk about the pump. So let me make sure that I understand this. Is the pump really the entire key element to the whole system?
It's really the heart. It's the key to any pool and spa circulation system. It keeps the water flowing.
Okay, so this is the million-dollar question. Can an existing pool actually be retrofitted with this system?
Absolutely. The whole Jandy VersaPlumb system is really compact, first of all. And secondly, with the pump, we offer an adjustable base that makes it super easy to retrofit onto almost any existing pool.
Oh, that's good news then.
And now we're going to send you over to Tessa, and she's got some great information about some other energy-saving, efficient products.
So Tessa, I know you brought some fun stuff that can actually help save us money.
That's right. One of the best ways to control your pool is by using an automatic pool controller. It allows you to save energy by monitoring, scheduling, and adjusting all the components of your pool.
Wow.
So you can run your pump, filter, cleaner, lights, turn your heater on and off. Anything that you would do in your pool, you can do from an automatic pool controller.
Really?
Zodiac has a new one. It's our iAqualink, which is a web-connected device that allows you to control your pool from any smartphone, tablet, or computer.
Okay, so now I'm intrigued.
Let me show you how it works.
Oh, wow, now that is incredible.
Isn't that great? It's state-of-the-art technology, but it's convenient and it's fun.
I was saying, who would think that you'd be able to control your pool from anywhere in the world through a pad?
That's right. People expect to be able to control every aspect of their life with their smart devices.
And
these
now
days.
they can.
That's
They're
right.
They're cool. Now we're talking about all the fun stuff. So what about the not so fun part about cleaning your pool? Any suggestions there?
No one likes cleaning their pool, but at Zodiac, we have a lot of great pool cleaners that make it really easy. Kelly, our Polaris robotic pool cleaners are incredibly energy efficient. They use just about as much energy as an 80-watt light bulb.
Really?
That's right. So it costs just pennies per day to have a perfectly clean pool. They're really easy to use and transport. And this version, our Polaris 9300 XI, comes with a handheld remote, so you can control the pool cleaner's action. With a Polaris robotic pool cleaner like this one, it does all the work so you don't have to. It takes all of the maintenance and trouble out of owning a pool. So in just a couple hours a day, you have a perfectly clean body of water.
Wow, and I love the idea of actually being able to control it remotely. Now, Tessa, you also mentioned water quality. And of course, when I think of pools, I think of chlorine.
As you know, chlorine is effective in keeping your pool clean, but it also comes with some nasty side effects, like red eye, itchy skin, green hair. Well, the best way to reduce those side effects is by using an alternative sanitizer, like Nature 2. Nature 2 uses elemental ingredients like silver and copper, which have been used for thousands of years as a natural way to kill algae and kill bacteria. It allows you to use up to 50% less chlorine in your pool. Nature 2 creates a much cleaner, clearer, softer swimming experience for you and your family, and it's safer.
You know, Tessa, thank you so much for coming out today. Not only did we learn how to save money, to save energy, it has just been a fabulous day, so thank you so much.
You're welcome. Owning a pool can be a great experience, especially if you have the right products to take the hassle out of it and make it eco-friendly.
Hey, ladies,
Okay,
hold on.
now what?
Sorry to interrupt, but there's one more thing that I want to make sure we mention, and that's
Okay.
an automatic pool cover.
But we're in Florida. How many people really use an automatic?
They absolutely should. Zodiac cover pools not only keep debris out of the pool and add a major layer of safety, but they help reduce evaporation, reduce chemical usage, and they help keep the heat in just like a lid on a coffee cup. So it's kind of a no-brainer no matter where you live.
So I stand corrected. I learned something else today. And I gotta tell you, this pool looks so tempting. I just wanna dive right in. But before we do that, can you go ahead and tell us where we can get Zodiac system products?
Best thing to do, it's super easy. Go to zodiacpoolsystems.com.
Okay.
Find yourself a dealer. You can get started right away. Easy breezy.
So that sounds great. You can also find a link on our website at designingspaces.tv. For Designing Spaces, Think Green, I'm Kelly Lightbourne in sunny Florida.
New technologies are here now, improving our lifestyles and the environment. For Designing Spaces Think Green from the Murakami in Delray Beach, Florida, I'm Ted Brunson.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.